Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel devdbqa.com. In today's video, we are going to learn about test cases for pen, in which we will see the positive test cases, negative test cases, out of scope test cases, and test cases on performance of pen, and test cases on different type of pen. So guys, let's start. Positive test cases for pen. Number 1, verify that user is able to hold the pen comfortably. So the user should be able to hold the pen comfortably. Verify that the pen is writing smoothly or not. We will check that the pen is writing smooth or not. Verify that pen is not making any type of sound while writing. So any type of sound should not come from the pen while writing. Verify that the ink flow of the pen is smooth or not. There should not be any break in the ink flow. So while writing with the pen, the flow of the ink should be smooth and there should not be any break in the ink flow. Verify that the quality of the material of pen is good or bad. So the quality by which the pen is made should be good and it should not be bad quality. Verify that the company name of the pen is visible clearly or not. So the brand name of the pen or the company name of the pen which is written on the pen body should be visible clearly on the pen. We have to test this. Next, verify that the design of pen or the branding of the pen is not removed easily. So the name of the pen or the branding or the design on the pen body should not be removed easily. Next, verify that the line drawn by the pen is according to the mentioned specification. So there are different type of specification pen available in the market, such as 0.5, 0.7, etc. So we have to check that the line drawn by the pen should be according to the mentioned specifications only. So if 0.5, we are having a pen of 0.5 specification, so the line should be drawn with the only of 0.5 specification only. Next is verify that the ink color of the pen should be consistent from starting to end. So the consistency of the ink of the pen should be consistent, so it should not fade away at the ending of the ink, or it should not be very dark during the beginning of starting of the writing of the pen. Next, verify that the pen is able to write on different type of paper, such as smooth paper, glossy paper, rough paper, thick paper and thin paper. So the pen should be able to write on all the different type of papers available, that are smooth, glossy, rough, thick and thin. So we have to verify that the pen is able to write or not. Verify that the ink of pen is waterproof or not. So in this test case, we will check that the ink of the pen is waterproof ink or not waterproof ink. Next, verify that the ink of pen is dried quickly on the paper or not. So in this test case, we will check that the ink after writing on a paper should be dried quickly or not. Next, verify that other refills fit in the pen or not. So we will check that other refills of other pens fit in the pen exactly or not. Next, verify that the pen should not have any sharp edges or corners. So the pen should not have any sharp edge or corners on its body. Next and last of positive test cases, verify that the body or pen and the ink is made up of non-toxic material only. So toxic material should not be used in the making of pen or the ink of the pen. So these are the positive test cases of the pen. So now we will see the negative test cases of pen. First of all, verify that pen is working normally or not after putting the pen in water for some time. So we will check that the pen is working normally or not by putting the pen into water for some time and check the working of the pen. So because in real time our pen can get wet due to rain or any other circumstance, so we have to check that the pen is working normally in when the pen is put in water for some time. Next, verify that pen is working normally or not after dropping the pen from some height. So we will check that the pen is working normally or not by dropping the pen from some height and then check that the pen is working fine or not. Verify that ink spelled or not after dropping the pen from some height. So we will check that there is a ink spelled or not after dropping the pen from a certain height. Next, verify that pen is able to write when left open for some time without pen cap. So we will check that the pen is able to write or not when the pen is left in open without the pen cap. Verify that nib of pen is available to withstand the pressure while writing. So we will check that the nib of the pen should be able to withstand the pressure while writing on the page. So the nib should not get broken while writing. Now the performance test cases of pen. Number 1 is the out of scope test cases that we are not able to test in the real time in the real world. Verify that pen is working under high pressure or not. So we are not able to generate high pressure to test this test case. So these are the out of scope test cases. Verify that pen is working under high pressure or not. Verify that pen is working under high temperature or not. So we are also not able to generate high temperature to test the pen is working fine or not. Next, verify that pen is working under low temperature or not. Verify that pen is working under low pressure or not. Verify that pen is working where gravity is 0. So we will not be able to test all these test cases in the real world because we will not be able to create that type of environment to test the pen. So the in-scope test cases are: number 1, verify that pen is able to write at high speed. So we will check the performance of the pen by writing the pen with the high speed. So we will check that the pen is able to write at high speed or not. Verify that pen nib is not broken at high speed writing. Verify that pen ink is consistent at high speed writing. So the ink should be consistent while writing at a high speed. So it should not get very dull or it should not get dark while writing at high speed. Verify how much amount of text or drawing can be done with the full refill of a pen. So we will check the capacity of the pen, that with a full refill of the pen how much amount of writing we can do with a full refill. Now there are different types of pen available in the market. So I have written down some of them and some of the test cases for that particular type of pens. Number 1 is ball pen. Verify the tightness of the pen cap. It should not get removed easily. So the tightness of the pen cap of ball pen should be verified. Verify that ink of pen should not come out while holding it in pocket. Now the next pen is tick pen. Verify the functionality of pen button. The refill should come out on pressing the pen and goes back after again pressing the pen button. Verify that the pen button is not broken when pressed with more force. Verify that the pen button should not stuck after long use of the pen. Verify the clip of pen. It should hold the pen tightly while in a pocket. Verify that the user is able to change the refill of the pen easily or not. Next is gel pen. Verify that the ink should not get overflowed. Verify that the ink should not make impression on the other side of the page. Verify that the ink is dried fast on paper. Verify that the cap of pen is easy to open and close. Now next is ink pen or fountain pen. Verify the ink flow of the nib. Verify that there should be no ink leakage through parts of pen. Verify that while refilling the ink, this sac should get full. Verify that the ink should not leak by holding the pen horizontally or upside down positions. Next is multi-refill pen. So multi-refill pen is the pen which is having multiple type of refills in it with different colors. Verify all the buttons of different color inks. Verify that the button and color of ink is matched correctly. Verify that the user is able to change the refill easily or not. Verify that user is able to hold the pen easily. It should not be very bulky. So guys, in this video we have seen that the test cases of pen, in which we have seen positive test cases, negative test cases, out of scope test cases on performance of the pen, and test cases on different types of pen. So guys, if you like my video, then please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching my video.